In this video, we will learn how to use sequence function in Excel sheet. This is my Excel sheet. If you want to write here day 1, day 2 up to 365 days, so there is a one option you can drag it. There is another option. If you want to drag it, you just select the both and you just drag it. Okay. And if you want to day 1, day 2 up to 365 day, then there is a one more option. Have you can use the sequence function for this. Let's see how it's done. First select the cell is equal to, then use semicolon. Okay, then the right day, again use semicolon, and then write the sequence. You can see here sequence tab. Okay, then write 365 comma 1 bracket close, enter. You can see here up to 365 dates automatically come. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.